Guys, what if I told you the reason you're tossing and turning at night, waking up exhausted, and dealing with, let's call them, performance issues in the morning, all comes down to one mineral you're probably not getting enough of? I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. After years of working with men over 50, I've noticed a common pattern: poor sleep, low energy, weaker erections. And the culprit? A mineral that most men are seriously deficient in: magnesium. Why magnesium matters. Magnesium is involved in over 300 enzyme reactions, like oil in your engine. Without it, everything grinds down. It helps your body make testosterone, produce nitric oxide for erections, and even generate cellular energy. Deficiency can lead to muscle cramps, anxiety, fatigue, and sleep issues. Magnesium and sleep. Magnesium activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode. It binds to GABA receptors in your brain, helping you fall into deep restorative sleep. And deep sleep is when testosterone production peaks, between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Magnesium and energy. Magnesium is essential for ATP, your cellular energy. Without it, your cells run on low power. When you supplement, you feel more energized, recover faster, and even your mood improves. Magnesium and performance. Magnesium supports nitric oxide production, relaxing blood vessels for better blood flow, meaning stronger, more reliable erections. And it works naturally with your body's systems, not like drugs that force temporary changes. Best forms and dosage. Not all magnesium is equal. Glycinate is highly absorbable and calming. Citrate works too but may act as a mild laxative. Dose: 400 to 500 milligrams an hour before bed. Start low at 200 milligrams to adjust. Take with a small snack for better absorption. Tips and common mistakes. Avoid taking magnesium with calcium, late-night alcohol, or blue light from screens. Start slow to prevent digestive issues. Also, ensure other minerals like potassium and sodium are balanced for full effect. Unexpected benefits and success stories. Once magnesium is optimized, benefits cascade. Headaches disappear, blood pressure improves, snoring reduces, mood lifts, athletic performance increases, and energy skyrockets. Here's my challenge. Get magnesium glycinate, 400 milligrams tonight, 1 hour before bed. Do it for 30 days and notice the difference. If this helped you, subscribe for more practical health advice for men over 50. Comment about your sleep issues and share this with a friend. You might change his life.